Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Ninjas. My name is Dale, your guide through this vast crypto universe. Today, we're diving into the top meme coin moments of this cycle. Because let's face it, if you thought the last bull run was crazy, well, 2025 took it to a whole new level of chaos. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the heights, the lows, and the downright hilarious misshapes that defined meme coins this year. But before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas and use our Binance referral code for 20% off of the trading fees for life. Thank you very much. First up, we have Haley Welsh, better known as the Hawk Tour girl.
What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time?
You gotta give him that hawk too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Launching her own meme coin called the Hawk Coin. It hits a staggering $550 million market cap before crashing over 90% within hours. But the real kicker? Well, during a live space amidst the chaos, Haley decided it was bedtime. She literally said, "Alright, I'm going to bed. I'll speak to y'all in the morning."
Hey guys, I hate to interrupt you, Nick. Hello there. But anywho, I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Talk about a power move or a power nap. This moment perfectly encapsulates the volatility and unpredictability of meme coins. One minute you're flying high, the next, well, you're not. Next, we have a 13-year-old who decided to rug pull his own meme tokens on a Pump.Fun livestream. This is Gen Z Quant Kid. He executed a live rug pull on the Quant token, making off with $20,000. But the crypto community wasn't having it. They turned around and pumped the token to an $85 million market cap, teaching the kid a lesson in market dynamics. If the kid were to hold his token tight, well, at the all-time high, it would have been worth around millions of dollars. It's like the digital equivalent of play stupid games, win stupid prizes, except for this time, the community won. Now, if you think that your grandma is a noob in crypto, well then look at this. A 101-year-old grandma decided to join the meme coin party. She streamed her own token launch on again Pump.Fun, only to rug pull investors within minutes. I mean, GG, grandma. This moment is a stark reminder of the vulnerability in the meme coin market, where even the most unlikely characters can cause a stir. I mean, who would have thought that a grandmother of 101 years of age could have rug pulled an entire meme coin community of absolute young degens? Next, we have Sahil Aurora, a name that became synonymous with controversy. Financed a bunch of celebrities into launching and promoting his own meme coins, only to rug pull them all. It's like he turned the red carpet into a red flag. This saga shows how the allure of fame and fortune can blind even the most cautious investors. But let's be real, if you're trusting a meme coin promoted by a celebrity that seemingly doesn't have any interest in blockchain or Web3 or even meme coins, well, you are already playing with fire. Here comes another twist in Pump.Fun. A disabled streamer claimed that he had less than 120 hours to live and needed money for his family. Spoiler alert, he rug pulled investors shortly after. He then went online and blamed Sahil, yes, Sahil Aurora, for launching and rug pulling his own meme tokens, and promised that the next launch will not be a rug. But yeah, as you may all guessed it, he went on another livestream and rug pulled another time. I guess that's another lesson for us then. Desperation and deception can go hand in hand with this meme coin market. Let's be real, meme coins aren't the most regulated asset in the world, and it's absolutely the wild west of crypto. If someone tells you that they are dying and needs crypto, maybe question their motives. Just a thought. Then we have the biggest celebrity of them all, Kanye West, who launched a meme coin called Ye, but here's the twist. 94% of the total supply was controlled by insiders. It's like he brought the concept of Ye control to a whole new level. This moment underscores the importance of transparency in the crypto space. But here's something to think about. If even Kanye can't make it work, what hope do the rest of us have? Well, just kidding, we have plenty of hope. And finally, the crypto influencer Clemente decided to celebrate the rise of the Circle token with a dance.
We'll put at least 6 figures or show or more for him on now. 6 figures. Who put that 25 rolls all great Ethereum whenever it's
Moments later, the token crashed. It's like the crypto gods were saying, not so fast, buddy. This moment captures the volatility and unpredictability of meme coins perfectly. But hey, at least it got a good dance out of it, right? So there you have it, the top meme coin moments of this cycle, from the hot tool girl to Kanye's meme coin. It's been a roller coaster ride, but remember, while meme coins can be fun and profitable, they're also risky. Distinguish between hype and sustainable value, and always do your own research. Thank you so much for joining me today, and stay tuned for more adventures in the crypto universe. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and drop a comment below your favorite meme coin moments. Until next time, Daily out.